Hi, this is Teresa from Yarn Again. Appreciate you stopping by today. I just wanted to share a few of the things that I did finish this week. This is this shawl that I did finish. It's part of the My Yarn Challenge 123, hosted by Armchair Chef. Her link will be in the description below. And I finished the shawl. You can see a better view of it on that video. That was my first shawl. It is all cotton as well. And I finished some hats. This week I used a knitting machine. I know, you like the blank space. There's the purple one. There's another purple one. I had a lot of this purple. I do believe I said that in the past, but I finally ran out. I hope. I haven't looked at my stash. And this purple one is reversible. This one reverses to that on the inside. All these were knitted on my knitting machine, the Sentro, not the Addy, the cheap version. And this is a little one. So I got a mommy and me or daddy and me set. That cute. That's all the yarn I had left of that, and I said okie dokie. And I crocheted this one. I don't know. It's looking orangey, but it really is red. Let's try to put the film. Yeah, that didn't help. Kind of washes it out. I'm learning. And this one, I love this color. Nice yellow hat. Double crochet. They are all done with the same stitch. And this mustard yellow one. So that's a total of 7 hats this week. I'm 7 hats behind this week. I try to make 7 to 14. So I did make the 7, but I do try to make 14. And at the end of the year, they go to a local charity. So when I get the yarn really good prices, I am so happy. And these are red heart. This one is a red heart. No. Yes, this is a red heart pound. This is a I don't know. Got it a long time ago on sale. And it's a pain to work with. Look at this. Focus. Focus. Okay, there you go. See how it like furry? It gets furry. I don't like that. These are nice to work with. These are all red. This is a Lion brand that came in a mystery box. I think. It's a Lion brand. I either got it in a mystery box or Ollie's. This is a red heart. It's a little rougher. And this, it's wearable though. I don't do it if it's not wearable. Like if I wouldn't wear it, I don't make it. I don't give it away. I frog it. I have been known to frog an entire hat. This one is, haha, got the tag. This one is this. Burnett. Yarn Inspirations. Got it at Ollie's for $4.99. And it is 6mm hook, which I did use. It is upside down. 5 bulky. 96% acrylic. 285 yards. I'll easily get 2 hats out of it. I have this much left. So I'll get 2 hats out of that. Easy. And then I will use the remaining strip of yarn, if there is any left, for my hat blanket. I know, real professional here. But I'm just a mom doing this as, this is my hat blanket. Every hat that I make, so you can see this is the pain one. This is the pain one. Devlin phrase. Every hat that I make, see, these are the purples. This is all I had left of these 2 purples. If I have a bit that I can fit, it goes in my hat blanket. I don't know what I'm doing with the hat blanket. I was thinking of giving it to the priest that I'm going to give these hats to when I'm done. Let me know what your thoughts are. Should I give it to the priest? Should I keep it? We don't know how long it's going to be. Maybe he can raffle it off. I don't know. Anyway, that's the hat blanket. I know these look really odd, but that's the order in which they fell. Because see, this last week was the last one I made, and this is this week's that I first made, and then this is the one I had left of the rest of the hats. I do appreciate you stopping by. If you can give it a like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that as well. Share it out to anybody you think might be interested in making hats. I'm sure Bag O'Day and other people have tons of tutorials. It's just a double crochet. If I can make a hat, anybody can make a hat. This year is the first time I've crocheted hats, so I'm pretty sure anybody could do it. Or you get your little knitting machine. I'm sure there's tutorials for that out there too that you can make a hat on. All right, thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you next time.